magalang. Pagkagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang aawat sa atin. Kay believe naman magalang, pag-ibig mo sinta, daing mo talitan kasama na. Kanina'y narealize ko ba, bigla na lang nawala. Daing mo talitan kasama na.
Keep going. We were too young to go like this. It was just a dream.
Okay, believe naman maglang.
You were too young.
Ibig masinta.
Thank you very much. We were too young. Oh man. Hello. Anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si Casper Blancaflor.
Casper.
Casper.
Like the friendly ghost.
Wow.
Casper. But you don't look like that.
Wow, ang distinct ng tunog mo. Kaya nga, umiikot talaga si Coach Bambu
That's right.
Saka si Coach Lea, congratulations.
I think this is the first. With any song I've been a part of, I never turned unless you bring in something special. You brought me somewhere else. It was just beautiful, and thank you for playing that song. Thank you for doing that.
Bihira lang akong makarinig ng mga ganyang klaseng boses na yung puso, yung nangunguna. Beautiful, beautiful,
I can't
beautiful
believe
voice.
that.
Wow.
I can't
Wow.
believe that coming from you, Miss Leia.
I would like you to go on my team, be a part of Team Bamboo.
Hindi lang si Coach Bambong na paikot mo, dalawa kami. So, hihingin ko lang kung ano yung magiging decision mo.
Yeah.
I'm going to choose, but I'm going to choose.